like to be the kind of man you proudly call your own. Treated you as nice as I know how. Can't you anything you want and anything I own? Greatest scheme that you're just a small. Finally I got you. Once more I need. My life is complete and satisfied.
Sisit ko bukas kayo.
Honey, oh my bride.
Tanji, accept mo kagad ha. Kasi yung may mga magaling ko mag-comment.
I'd like to be the kind of
Kaya
man
nakalis mo, wala
you
pang
proudly call your
Mga
own.
6 months pa yan.
Pag matutuloy kami mag-swimming, kasi June 20, 26 yata linggo. Sabi ko, huwag yung 26 linggo yun eh. 25 ng gabi, Sabado. Overnight. Para at least, kasi ako lang mag-isa dito, lahat sila taga Maynila.
Everything
Sa
I
akin lang, kung
own
meron tayong mababayaran yung magluluto lang nung marinate lang yun. Nakababalik lang
is
yung
just too small.
Parang iba, yun lang.
Honey,
Kaya hindi na maraming... Sabi ko sa kanila, dadalhin nyo lang, timbak at saka tubig, swimming trunk. Tama ba?
What
Wala na, yun
more?
lang.
Sama-sama mo.
Hindi,
Tangina, kakatay pagtalon.
hindi ano, hindi kasama.
My
Hindi ka Maynila. Siguro pinakamarami na kami 12, 13.
and satisfied.
Ilang babae?
Walo. Marami babae.
Honey,
Marami babae.
Ilang lalaki?
Konti lang.
video?
Kasama mo si Dennis.